Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share some tote bags that I'm making. Everybody's into the jelly tote bags, and I did get a die from KS Crafts. It's the jelly tote. I'm sure there's more description to the name than that, but these are what the dies look like, and this is how the tote turns out. I think it's supposed to be gingerbread maybe, but because Valentine's Day is coming up, I'm going to use these totes to package up a swap. So this is one of the ones that I made, and what you do is cut out this die. Look at how big. It's a good size, but you cut this die out twice for the front and the back. It also comes with the side panel that you'll cut out twice as well, and that's that and that. And then the bottom here is the bottom die. You'll cut that once, and then there's a layering piece for the bottom die. I cut this out twice for the bottom and for the inside. I feel like it makes it more stable, but I'm not sure because I didn't do it any other way. But yeah, so I'm thinking of putting some feet of some type down here. I haven't decided yet. And then it does come with some layering pieces. Like, I think this was supposed to be the frosting, but hair. And then the face. So 2 eyes, the cheeks, and the mouth. And with the eyes, because of Valentine's, I added the hearts as the eyes instead, and I just layered them over these pieces because I like the lashes. So the lashes peek out, so it looks like, black mascara maybe? I don't know. That's what I was going with. But I did get the heart from, the heart die is from the Stamps of Life candy hearts to stamp, and I just used this heart here, heart die here, to cut out both of the eyes. So yeah, this is a fun die here. You could get quite a few things in this, just for reference. I don't, with my hand, but I can fit both of my hands in here. So lots of stuff to pack in here for a gift. And then here's the other ones I made. And I just used different pink colors. And so I made the eyes and the lipsticks the same. Most of the cheeks different color, but all the hair is the same color too. And the front side and the back side is the same. So yeah, I will work on if I'm going to add feet to them or not. But it's a fun die, so check it out. I know you can get them off of Amazon and Auntie Allie. But I hope you guys found some inspiration in this. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. And yeah, looking forward to all the Valentine's inspiration out on YouTube. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. If you just clicked on the video because you liked the thumbnail, welcome. Please consider liking and subscribing and joining me on this crafty journey. If you have friends and family who you think would be interested in this video, please share it with them. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!